My name's Jana, and I've been here at UTA for 5 years, almost 6. Well, when I was a kid, I would hang out, for better or worse, at the car dealerships near my house. Like, I was always there. I would build model cars as a teenager, and just in my spare time, that's what I would do, was build model cars. So that's kind of how I got into it. I started out at Front Runner it was like one step above an entry-level mechanic over there, and I worked my way up to their high-level mechanic, which is an A-level, and now I'm a bus maintenance supervisor. You just have to be patient and just wait for the opportunities to present themselves and apply and learn as much as you can. We still need people to fix the mechanical things. That's never going to be automated. We're always going to need a human to do that. It's always a person that's behind the machine. There's no robot back there. And without the people and the know-how and the knowledge, you're not going to get that bus out to the public to have a service for anybody. And it's only growing. UTA is only growing.